Hi, I'm Yabesh, and today I would like to take this moment to reflect on my learnings from the Social Impact Unit. At the start of the semester, I set my purpose on integrating social responsibility into my career in mining with a vision of developing strategies that promote ethical partnerships in technical services and a mission to use data-driven tools for social and environmental good. I tracked and rated these goals by application at my workplace or within the AGCM learning environment. Studying social impact has completely changed my view on my role from just being technical services to entrepreneurship, focusing more on the use of social innovation typologies from Tracy and Scott. One of my major wins is the application of Avenza maps for blast guarding. As an improvement project, we use geo-referenced PDFs and digital mapping for exclusion zones for our Greenbushes lithium project to improve blast guarding practices and reduce blast guards being positioned in the wrong places. This was a real application for the design thinking and human-centered innovation in blasting. One of the other challenges for our HSC advisors in the morning has always been checking the breathalyzer records against rostered personnel. Every morning this would be a tedious process since the records would include everyone working within the mine site. To ease in this task, I built a macro on Excel to cross-check rostered names with a breadth of data, minimizing this task to a click of a button, showing how small tech interventions can build convenient, ethical systems. Even in mentoring of junior engineers, my focus has shifted from just technical engineering to include mentorship in systems thinking applications to real-world social problems by identifying impact solutions that go beyond just compliance and designing responses founded on equity. This took more time obviously, but investing your time is like social capital. That is, scaling impact through people, and it's just nice receiving some positive text on the impact this approach would have on graduate engineers. In the earlier weeks, we discussed system thinking, which presented an application opportunity in one of our Greenfield Gold projects in Kalgoorlie, in terms of building community relationships and stakeholder mapping. For this, a shift of my perception on social impact from just small wins to long-term structural change was important. This was through the proper identification of outputs, outcomes, and social impact as defined by the Center of Social Impact. The area of development for me was understanding the concepts of co-design, hybrid organizational models, and social enterprise scaling strategies. The topic of Indigenous opportunities within our organization has been pressing due to the low percentage of Indigenous Australians in our workforce. Again, I actively used social impact concepts while trying to bridge the gap of Indigenous employment within my organization by building partnerships with the Clontarf Foundation and the Indigenous Skills and Employment Programs in Western Australia. Studying social impact has helped me grow. I started the semester by sharing my mom's story and how she transformed our house into a makeshift clinic during a malaria crisis in Kenya, and finishing the semester by seeing social purpose, vision, and mission in everything I do today. Thank you.